2009 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment, not specified: 8-sill, 4WD anti-theft device S, side airbag system, EBD electronic brake disc, multifunction steering wheel, airbag deactivation, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, vehicle stability assist, tire pressure monitor, child safety locks, traction control system, auto express down window, rear stereo controls, dual airbags, 3-point rear seatbelts, intermittent wipers, anti-lock braking system, anti-lock brake system, auto headlight on-off, tow hooks, color coded mirrors, rear window defroster, reading light S, power outlet S, adjustable lumbar seat S, power driver's seat, center console, heated outside mirror S, body color bumpers, privacy glass, power mirrors, daytime,